And we are back, guys. After a while, I'm back. Sorry for the delay. I'm going to be releasing every week. I need you guys to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell their friend, to tell their friend, to tell their friend to subscribe. Just heading to Cricklewood right now. Got a pretty big job, to be honest. It's a complete refurb and extension. The client's no longer living there, so we can literally just crack on. So this week we're hoping to get the scaffold up. We're hoping to get the scaffold up and begin the foundations, to be honest, for the extension. But we're having a bit of a dispute with the neighbours because of their scaffold. As soon as I get there, I'll literally give you a tour of the property, and you can see the scaffold. But yeah, again, make sure you subscribe because I'm going to be releasing every Sunday, every single Sunday. Yeah, thank you.
Had juice in here for an hour, trying to work out how we're going to get all of that on the lawn. It's a bit technical right now, but we can work around it. Our problem is this digger can't fit past their scaffold to get in here into the back to do the foundation. But we're gonna work around it, literally.
So, still here, trying to sort out this order of juicing. They're literally just unloading all the stuff. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour while they do that. Wait there.
So we're working here with the world's smallest toilets. Let me just move back so you can see the size of it. So many questions with this toilet. Why is the sink like that? Why is it so low? What's going on with the toilet? What is the socket in it? Why is this window so small? Imagine it's cold in there. Coming into here. Oh, nice hole. Oh, another one. There's a socket so low. So here, getting demolished. We're gonna build up, chop down the trees, build right over there, in line with the trees. It's all gonna be one extension here. Here's getting knocked down as well. But our current issue is getting the digger in the back to knock this down. Still there. I'm gonna change the flooring everywhere. Then we get up here. This bathroom therefore needs a revamping. Now, who picked these tiles? Yeah, radio has to go as well. There we got a tiny, literally tiny room here. There's a lock on every store, looks like it's been eaten. Moving here. We've got a minor leak over here. We've got a leak. So that's what we're currently trying to sort out. The last bedroom. So we're having a dispute with the neighbours right now because their scaffold's actually on our land and we can't put up our scaffold because you can see how close it is to ours. We're trying to work around it, but they're kind of being little shits. Mind my French. What is this way, guys? Are saving the oranges and the drinks. We're trying to get the digger in that way and drop the fence, but this tree is causing to be an issue. But from what you've seen, I want you to comment and tell me what you would do in this house. What flooring? I want you guys to feel involved. And what's your favorite room in the house at the moment? Where would we be without machines like this? Honestly, where would we be? Deliveries like this would be impossible. I'm literally excited to crack on. We're done. So hopefully in the next video, you'll see some scaffold up on our side, and hopefully we can start using the digger. This is the parts of the job they don't show you, where I gotta wait anytime between 9 to 4 for delivery. I had to wait 4 hours for this delivery. You literally just gotta stay around, because if you miss it, it goes on to the next week. And that digger costs a fortune a day. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.